Hello YouTubers, you see Blake back again, and back for round 3. This is the third round for the Blake's Railway Races. I believe it's actually going very well. In my first video of round 1, I've nearly got over 30 views, and that's quite great. I've got a couple of likes on that, so thanks for all your likes over there, and hopefully I get more likes on round 2. Round 2 just came out, so go check that one out. That one was one of the best I've seen so far. So we've got since we've got 2 single locomotive races, because the tender power is finished. I'll tell you the results on that. So running for third, it's Molly against Murdoch, and going for the final podium against Mighty Mac and Emily, which is going to be excellent. So they're done for now. They will not have a semi-finals. You won't see them back until we get the finals and third. So this is why we've got 2 single locomotives, and we've also got tender engines and diesels. So let's go up racing. So here we got Bill and Ben, 2 tank engine twins. You might see a front coupling for Ben, sorry. There's Bill in the distance over there. So this is going to be quite interesting. So rightio, so let's get underway with Bill and Ben. Off we go. So racing has started. Bill and Ben. Oh, Ben time penalty to 3. He let Bill get a good lead. Oh, this should be quite interesting. These two are low on batteries, and they're both going the same speed. There's Bill in the distance here going down the bridge. Ben throwing everything he's got already. Come around that corner. Oh, Ben got up first. Well, that's just unbelievable. Ben has now taken the lead. Oh, 2, 3. Oh, that's trouble. Well, Ben got trouble so far. It should hold on, actually. Ben now taking the lead after a great warm-up. Bill lagging behind. There goes Ben with the front coupling, leading this race. Bill throwing everything in there. He needs Ben to have a penalty again, but I don't think that Ben... Oh, nearly got stuck there. Pretty close. Going over that. Yep. 2, 3. It's not enough to stop him. Bill can't make it. So Ben, you'll see him running the finals. Great start to the night. So great work, Ben. Taking away that one. Bill just lagging behind. So Ben, what a drive. Next up we have is the 2 besties and 2 narrow gauge engines, Renas and Scarlowy. So looking forward to this one. This one should be quite interesting too. So looking forward to this one. So Renas and Scarlowy, Renas on the pole, off we go. Side by side in the corner here. Renas got a little lead. Oh, he nearly got stuck there. That would have been a 3-second penalty. But now Renas is leading ahead. Oh, where did Renas go? Far out, he's already a race lead. He's already came out, and Scarlowy just went in. Oh! Scarlet Lowy, that's game over. 3, that's game over. White flag to Rheneas. That's game over for Scarlet Lowy. He needs a miracle. Oh, that makes it 2. 3. Maybe it's my fault on the bridge. Here we go. Well, that's game over for Scarlet Lowy. Can't do much about it. There's no way that he's going to do it. He's going to stop. He tells me to stop. So there you go, have it, folks. Rheneas. You'll see him in the quarterfinals. There he goes. No doubt about it. Taking your lead. As easy as that. Taking home that one. As easy as that. Rheneas will win the second race of the night. Next up, it is against the Tender Engines. Gordon versus Henry. Now, you might have seen my Gordon of Tommy Playroll Gordon unboxing review first run a couple of videos ago. And you'll now see him. These both are running on AA batteries. You'll see him now how fast Gordon can go with AA batteries. So here we go. Let's see who's going to take this one. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? Off we go. Oh, Gordon stormed away. Gordon has just stormed away. There he is there, and there's Henry just going on the bridges. Gordon has shot on the lead. Wow. Gordon has now got it. Because look how the lead goes. Henry just going as quick as he can. Henry lagging behind. Gordon just sitting right nicely over here. No doubt about it, he's on the other side of the track. And Henry just passed the checkered flag line. They're going to be the opposite side of the track soon. There goes Gordon there. Gordon will win. You'll see him go to the third finals. Congratulations. Easy as that. Well done. Waiting for Henry to come now. Battle up next year, Henry. Next year we'll come along and then you can come back and verse Gordon again, hopefully, unless you get shoes from him. Right, final race of tonight. Well done, Henry, for finishing the race. So now, it's Rusty against Dart. Now, I put Rusty into the diesels because Salty is going to race for third. So whoever wins this race will go against for third. Because this is the final race in the diesels. So whoever wins this race will go to against third against Salty. So ready. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Off we go. Most interesting race we're going to have here. We're going to see what's going to happen now. Dart got your race lead. Rusty travelling up the hill as fast as he can. Oh, this should get quite interesting actually. Rusty going around that corner as quickly as he could. Dart's pulling away a lead over there. Who's going to come out of this first? Dart comes out first. Where's Rusty? Trailing behind. Rusty needs a miracle to catch up to Dart. Can Dart go against Salty for the third podium? Oh wow. Here's Rusty there. Come on, Rusty. Oh, Dart. Is he going to your third, going to the third podium? Rusty. Throwing everything in there. He's throwing everything he's got to come to this podium. I don't think he's got to do it. Dart is just miles ahead. So there goes Dart now. So Dart, you will see him going racing for third against Salty for the diesel podium. Congratulations, Dart. Rusty will have to battle on next time. Well done, Dart. Awesome drive. He's only just recently been fixed. He hasn't been running that well ever since I got him back in 2010. So he's now running brilliantly. But Rusty will have to battle up next time. So that's it for round 3 of the racing here tonight. So that's pretty much it. So don't forget to subscribe to join Blake's Railway for future videos and future videos and with more action on the way. Keep an eye out for round 4. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't checked out the other 2 races, if you haven't checked out the other 2 rounds, go check them out. They are worth as watching. And yeah, don't forget to like me on Facebook too. Blake Muggeridge Train Videos. You can find me on Facebook. My name's just Blake Muggeridge. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me. So looking for more subscribers. Come on guys, I know you're out there. I know you want to watch more of these. Please, can I get the likes? Can I try and get 20 likes on this video too? Can I try and get more people to join? Keep an eye out for round 4. For round 4. Keep an eye out for this. Catch you up for more reviews. Catch you up for more racing action. And catch you up for more custom videos. It's going to be on the way very real soon. So, hope you enjoy round 3 and hope to catch you up round 4. So, catch you up.